We are making a start with some news that's breaking this minute. BBMP Commissioner Anil Kumar has been transferred. The former BBMP Commissioner N. Manjunath Prasad is now going to be the new BBMP Commissioner. That's the latest now coming in. The Bengaluru Civic Body Chief, who has now been replaced. The former BBMP Commissioner N. Manjunath Prasad to be the new BBMP Commissioner. Those are the details now coming in and the breaking updates coming in. Bengaluru Civic Body Chief replaced. The BBMP Commissioner Anil Kumar has been transferred. Let me go across to my colleague Neha Hebale for further updates on this. Neha, what more details can you share with us about this transfer? Is this being looked at as a routine transfer?
Well, Apurva, interestingly, let's note that this transfer comes in the midst of the pandemic when Karnataka is currently seeing the highest number of cases, and understandably so owing to the mismanagement by the BBMP over here is what we actually understand, that, the commissioner has been transferred. Apurva, just to give you an insight of what some sources have actually given to Mirror Now, we understand that the two main reasons for this transfer comes in light of mismanagement by the BBMP commissioner and the officials with regard to two issues. Now, the first being at the Bangalore International Exhibition Centre, the biggest COVID care centre in Bengaluru with a capacity of more than 10,000 beds. We understand that the estimated cost of, renting the actual beds and the bed sets in these centres was working out exorbitantly high in comparison to purchasing them. But despite that, you had the BBMP that had, given a proposal for actually renting them, after which, of course, a meeting with the Chief Minister wherein the BBMP officials were taken to task and questioned on this. That's one. And the second, of course, Apurva, is what we've been reporting about on Mirror Now on a daily basis as to how patients have been struggling to get an ambulance. Now, let's remember that this comes directly under the BBMP, and despite on multiple occasions the government ordering the BBMP to streamline the process quickly so patients do not suffer, we're still seeing that even till date, several people are, struggling to get an ambulance. So we understand that these are the two main reasons, of course, for the Civic Body Chief to be transferred in the midst of the pandemic. And a very interesting move also now, Apurva, is the fact that the new officer who would be taking in charge, N. Manjunath Prasad, also happens to be the former BBMP commissioner himself. So understandably so, having some experience in running the BBMP, a veteran hand has in fact been put back in place.
All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking updates.